no matter the cost.
Welcome back to We Explain. The boys just dropped a brand new season 5 episode 7 trailer, and honestly, this one is packed with chaos, symbolism, and some seriously dark setup for the final stretch of the series. This is the penultimate episode, meaning we're only one episode away from the finale. So everything we're seeing here is basically the final chess moves being set in motion. Right at the start, we see Homelander inside the 7 Tower, and something immediately stands out: he's alone. No team, no 7, just him. Even the mural above him only shows his face now. Earlier this season, he literally replaced the entire 7 mural with himself, which perfectly shows where his mindset is right now. It's not about being part of a group anymore, it's about being above everything. And there's a really interesting behind-the-scenes detail here. Eric Kripke, the showrunner, apparently took a photo inside this exact set when filming wrapped, right before it was torn down permanently. So this location might actually have some symbolic finality to it, like we're seeing the end of an era in real time. Then we notice Homelander looking off to the side, like he's expecting someone. It's unclear who it is, maybe a loyal follower, maybe someone like Soldier Boy, or even just a hallucination of control. But the way he reacts makes it feel like something important is about to enter his world. Cutting forward, we get these disturbing New World scenes where Vought is clearly pushing full-scale indoctrination. There are loyalty gatherings, religious messaging, and outright statements that there is no room for heresy. At this point, Homelander isn't just a leader, they're turning him into a literal god figure. And this connects perfectly to what Stan Edgar warned earlier in the season: even if Homelander falls, the system of Vought, capitalism, and control just keeps rebuilding itself. So the real villain isn't just one person, it's the machine behind them. We also get quick flashes of the deep spiraling emotionally, especially after everything with Black Noir. Even though he constantly plays the joke character, there's still this uncomfortable reminder that he's fully compromised his morals a long time ago. The show keeps teasing whether he'll betray Homelander or completely lose himself, but at this point, it feels like he's just digging deeper into obedience instead of redemption. Then things shift to Huey and Butcher. We see them captured and injured, with blood on Huey's face, possibly after a failed confrontation with the 7. There's also a weird interrogation vibe here, and Butcher is clearly still in full, no turning back mode. He straight up says they'll keep fighting until they're all dead if necessary. That line really matters, because it reminds us, Butcher is just as dangerous as Homelander now. The difference is just direction, not morality. We also see Sister Sage again, and she's clearly overwhelmed, even harming herself to reset her intelligence state. That alone shows how unstable everything has become behind the scenes of Vought's plan. Then we get flashes of chaos, characters attacking civilians in indoctrination spaces, riots breaking out, and Vought's control starting to crack in unpredictable ways. It feels like the world itself is breaking apart under Homelander's influence. Marie Moreau and Jordan also appear briefly, likely tying into a separate subplot, possibly involving powered individuals being pulled into this larger conflict. And finally, the biggest shot of the trailer. Homelander inside the Oval Office. Behind the president's desk. President Calhoun is missing. At this point, it's heavily implied that Homelander has either taken control or eliminated him entirely. And this directly connects to the comic's endgame, where the final confrontation happens in the White House. So the question now is, do they follow that ending, or change it completely?